friends, welcome to my channel Star and Million Kids. Today in this video we are going to discuss the part 2 of the magnetic quantum numbers. In the part 1 we have discussed what is a magnetic quantum number. Part 2. In part 1 we have discussed the magnetic quantum number is generally to describe when an electron is placed in a magnetic field, it divides into certain positions known as the space orientation. In order to describe about the space orientations, the magnetic quantum number was given. As we have discussed in the first video, it was proposed by Landé and some proposed it as Linde. Magnetic quantum number was proposed by Landé. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the drawing of the orbital diagrams of the S, P, D and F shells respectively, but we are going to drawing with the orbitals of S, P and D respectively, because F has some complicated shapes and we are not going to describe them, and even it involves many of them. It will be 7 diagrams, as it is not very difficult to represent it on a 2D board. I am not going to draw this. So let's get started. Discuss that we have discussed about the 4 shells S, P, D, F. Okay. In order to find the orbitals, that is the space orientations of an electron present in S or P or D or F shells, we have given a formula in the first part of the video, 2L plus 1, where L is the azimuthal quantum number value. For S, P, D, F, we are going to write the azimuthal quantum number value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So L value 0 for S, 0 P, 1 D, 2 F, 3. So on basing on this, we can calculate the number of orbitals that a certain shell like S or P or D or F has. Let's now start. For S, 2 of 0 plus 1, 1, 2 of 1 plus 1, 3, 2 of 2 plus 1, 5, 2 of 3 plus 1, 7. So for S, there is only one orientation, P 3 orientations, D 5 orientation, F 7 orientations. So on basing on this, we are going to draw the diagrams for only S, P, D. F said before, complicated shapes, not going to represent it, but I will tell you the names. Every orbital arrangement has a certain name. For S, P, D and F, I am going to tell all the names. For only S, P, D, I am going to draw the diagrams. Starting with the S. Discussed, it has only one value. X, Y, Z axis. Only 3 axes I am going to represent it because there are only 3 dimensions. Relatedly, it is like this in this shape. It is a circular region. In this region, the electron is mostly likely to be formed. The space orientation of the electron is most likely to be formed here. For P, discuss 3 values. For P, I am going to write the values here. Px, Py, Pz. Px, Py and Pz. For S, it is only S. For P, 3 values Px, Py, Pz. P in the x-axis, P in the y-axis, P in the z-axis. So, on basing on this, we can represent in these 3 axes. Let's represent it. Px, Py, Pz. This shape has a certain name. This shape is known as dumbbell. Dumbbell, that is used for exercise. In gyms, you generally see dumbbells. They do exercise. In these 3 shapes look similar, but are arranged in different axes. This shape is known as the dumbbell shape. For D, 5 values. I'm going to write here. Focus here. dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square. I'm going to try and draw here dxy. in this way. dxy, it would look like in this way. dyz, dyz, dxz, dxz, like this, and dz square minus y square. In this way, and dz square, having a lobe around it. Lobe means z square means z into z, so in possible to represent, so I have to represent like this. So these are the 5 values of the d and their diagrams. This would look somewhat a different diagram, but no need to bother about these diagrams. These are the diagrams to represent, but these are not very important and not very difficult even to. And coming to f, I'm going to write here, just writing it. F discussed 7 values. These are all the 7 values. Fx of x square minus y square, Fy of x square minus y square, Fz of x square minus y square, Fz cube, Fxyz, Fxz square, Fyz square. These are all the 7 values of the f. S one value. So all in one stretch. S only one way. P in 3 ways. Px, Py, Pz. These are the diagrams. D, dx, dy is dz, dx square minus y square, dz square. All here. dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square. And f of x square of x minus y, x square minus y square, y of x square minus y square, z of x square minus y square, z cube, xyz, xz square, yz square. These are all the diagrams that we have gone and represent for certain S, P, D and F only names, and S, P, D, these are the diagrams. So thank you. If you have any further doubts, please comment and like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, you can also share it to this friend, and it would help them to know about the further quantum numbers. Thank you.